What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Soldier KT. I'm back with another reaction video, man. Today's reaction, we got the Miami Hurricanes versus California. Go to Bears. Make sure you sub, like, and share. Drop down comments down below about how you felt about the game, and let's get to it.
Way for the Bears. And we are underway, a home game
All right,
in the
here goes.
ACC for
Miami Hurricanes, man.
sail through the end zone. The offense pick up the initial first down.
Miami Hurricanes 5-0. Cali 3-1. Off the jump, Miami run. Kansas first off 3rd and 1. And them boys been snapping though lately, bro. You can't even count. Them boys been doing anything. Oh, Ward, he got it. He almost got it out. He almost got it out of it. Good defense by Cali. That's how they perform, bro. You think they could be an underdog to get this dub or what? I don't know, man. Miami defense, they don't offense like that, so shit, they just feel so quick. Y'all do not mind noise in the background. Oh, that boy is gone. Big run. All right, number 4. Yeah, I know that. Y'all know it's the background, y'all. You know it. All right. Okay, y'all doing for now. He runs it through. Touchdown.
I think their intentions are clear. They're just trying to bully the Bears, and Fletcher does. Touchdown Hurricanes here in Berkeley. Now the Bear offense will have to try to find a way and answer, because the Miami offense just imposed its will on that last drive.
Let's see what Cali got, man. I know Miami gotta be tired, bro. The time difference, good pass. The time difference had to fly from Miami ways to Cali. Yeah. Let's say let's get lead. It should be right. Yeah. I don't know.
And now Cal's found a little something. Teammates are in a fight in
Good Cali.
Fayetteville.
Second and 10, drops back, scans field, dot. Well, that boy's out of there. And Cali scores a tutty. Okay. Game tied. Well, after the field goal. That was a good play.
Well, Mike Lesh, like I said, did a great job of setting up the play. We're going to fake an inside tunnel screen. The tight end, Endries, is going to fake like he's blocking, reverse vertically. The defense and the secondary bid on the fake. Great throw, great catch.
Showed a little pressure.
Well, it died.
And he takes a shot down the field and
Ward,
finds Sam Brown.
I ain't gonna lie, but him.
There's a flag down just inside the 40-yard line.
That is so impressive. Cam Ward going with the whole shot. The Cal Bears put a touchdown
For Miami. He's in the backfield.
Ooh.
Ward clips it out in the flat. That's a great
They faded him before.
Elijah Arroyo made the catch, but he was
mocking him. Don't do that.
Sturdy Golden Bear defense.
Don't do that. Hey, you gotta tell him, man, they ain't go too well from the Lab Boys today. Alright, 15 goes deep. And got him, okay. Okay. I could be wrong. What I do, Miami G boys and went deep on y'all twice. And executed. And that boy got a tutty. So now they go up 14 Saturday. Man, what I was gonna do? I don't know that but name. I do not have to play, you know. You feel me? It will mess with us. When I edit, it'll be all over the place. So I do not got to worry about it right now. Okay, can. Dot.
Flips it out. Got his man complete.
That's a catch, right?
With a catch this time.
Yeah, first 10. They go get out of the field. Oh, now. He's gonna hand out the damn camera. He made it? Okay, good. First shot for a little hit, okay. I thought he missed. 4th and 1, come out and get the start, man. No, they do not. No, they don't. Do he score? Yes, he does. These boys just smacking the shit out of Miami right now. Oh my goodness.
66
Come on, Miami.
yards. You know
Come on, Miami.
my good friend Bill
These boys
Raftery
teeing up
would
with all that
describe
right
that
now.
call with one
This up
word.
like his second tutty, nigga.
Jay Knott, 66 yards.
Him
And
look
number
tough
8
for
on
real,
the
bro.
horse
Like
in
that would
Berkeley.
really piss me off, bro. Like the QB don't look tough. Like I don't know, he's just because of Gary.
Rumbling
But he
ahead.
probably does tough. You feel me? Well, apparently he is.
Game to college game
Just
day
for a
this
couple
morning.
highlights we will
He was
see.
standing right in
Break
the
off the tackle.
right in front
Ah,
of him.
come on. Oh, line is tweaking, bro.
Swallowed up by it as you have Xavier
Man,
Coleman
old line,
with
bro,
the
what y'all
sack.
doing? I was like his coach was scared.
Cam Ward and the Canes.
Okay?
They picked
See?
up the pressure beautifully.
Ah, damn.
Ward fires a strike in there and a big hit.
Damn,
coming in
Woodson.
from Craig Woodson to set.
Okay.
Now back to the ground.
Okay.
Plenty
There's a
of running
10.
room for Fletcher, who gets it up to midfield. For just
Anything but throw a screen pass here.
Come on, Miami. Get some points on the scoreboard.
consider
Go deep.
yourself shocked.
Oh, my goodness.
Down the middle.
Bro, you gotta catch him,
Hands
bro.
of the receiver as Sam Brown couldn't
Oh,
hold
boy,
it in.
dropping them. Oh, boy, dropping the bag.
3 pass plays longer than 50 yards.
There you go.
Down. Mendoza gets away for a moment, but not for long.
Come on. All right. Defense finally fucking teeing up.
Sanders in the game as a running back, but he
The
has
hell was
split out
that?
5 wide receivers.
Okay.
Ward holding it.
Ward.
Call
Cross
surveying,
field.
back
Oh,
in the
my
middle.
God,
Man,
bro,
is
what
that
the-
dangerous? And it's picked off. Noah Williams has it. He's on his way. Pick 6.
This is not looking good, bud. I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all lost y'all last game to what's called Virginia Tech. Virginia Tech. Okay, it was not okay. Like Cali, bro? I'm not saying they're not good.
Plays outside the pocket, but give a lot of
I'm
credit
saying
to
that,
David
bro.
Reese. Finally back in the lineup, healthy tonight for the first time in a couple weeks. Gets the initial pressure on Cam Ward, forces him outside the pocket, and then at that point on the backside of the play, you're going to see Noah
don't know who
Williams
he
right on the
thought was
40-yard
open, bro.
line, just playing zone coverage, keeping eyes on the
You
quarterback,
should just do
like
it to
he's
him.
coached to do.
Whoa.
When Cam Ward throws the football up for grabs, you might want to think about a
They
different
just playing,
defense
like
to
you
try.
said, they in the zone, bro. They just sitting there. They put the duck off, get to the outside.
They spit it out on the screen.
Oh, that boy's
Now running
moving.
free is Jacoby
Okay.
George down the sideline. He's chased out of bounds. He'll get it into Cal territory, picking up 25. Get careless
Oh,
on the
y'all back
football.
on
Punt's
defense,
okay.
huh?
Mendoza
3rd and
dumps
15,
it out.
and they
But he
damn
picked
sure
up
getting it
right
plus
in
more.
there.
And that boy look like he got it up.
It's a first down. Javian Thomas
Miami,
inside
bro.
the 30-yard line.
Reason why his nickname is Jet. Javian Jet Thomas, just a
Miami,
little
bro.
halfback screen.
They gotta
Great
go
job
shout
on
it out,
left
bro.
tackle
Look
Victor
at this
Stoffel
guy.
to get the play started. And then Jet Thomas, if you get him out in the open football game.
Rock, their 4th completion of more than 50 yards. They got
okay, let's
56
see.
there. A couple of them have been to running backs. And right on the money. He
They
finds
get
Jack
the ball out
Henry,
of field
who has a
again,
touchdown
dog.
here. And Cal is cutting him up. A pickup of 20. Cameron Rogers is checked
I
in
know
at quarterback. He's a
this shit
running
is
threat.
that, bro.
He has the ball. Rogers toward the end zone.
Man, they got another first down, bro.
Touchdown Bears.
Gotta score again. 35-10. Miami, y'all is shit, bro.
Ward needs 5. Right down the middle and right on target is George again. He gets it down to
Instead of losing Cali, bro.
4th down.
Like I said, that game is won, but getting your ass blew the fuck out is another.
Fires a strike to Isaiah Horton, and they move the sticks. Going furiously to their defense from the
And
sideline.
Ward, scans.
Ward to the outside. Got another completion.
They just tried to
Staying in
give him a
bounds,
touch.
getting down inside the 5 is
You ain't see that? Like
Brown.
they try to give him a touch. Like he even
See
hit him.
Sam
That's just
Ward definitely
feet like about to hit
touching
stop.
that out of bounds.
It was an out. He down there. I don't know. That back foot could be
15-yard
out.
line, about on the 14. Good catch by the officials. But like you just said, very impressive answering drive by Miami.
After further review, the runner stepped out of bounds at the 14-yard line.
Ward has room to run. Throws it instead.
Okay.
Martinez hit right at the doorstep.
You got ran me over,
Martinez
bro.
will be stopped on the 1 yard line. Uave making the stop.
Nigga's too small, Tutty.
Whistles.
2-point category done. Just can't they get that 2-point category done. Oh, you got to, so you gotta catch that east. Give it that. Okay, Miami. 18-35. That shit still sounds bad.
2 seconds remaining to play here in the third quarter. And the loss to Florida State of 303 yards, and he's got 285.
So he got the fuck out of y'all.
And they do a little end around. Here comes
If that boy was fast, he'd probably be gone.
Across the 40 out to the
Anything
45.
slow, but you know what I'm saying.
Situation taking the eye candy.
Yeah, get, oh my God. You don't blew the, oh my.
Now Fernando into Hurricanes territory. And he's knocked
What is y'all
down
doing, bro?
inside the 35, another play
Good
made.
run back, man, but what is y'all doing? You know what real run play? Or a quick little pass play. Okay,
Thought he was
nothing
gonna
for
run it,
now.
maybe he flipped it out to Jay
Miami y'all
Mack.
shit, bro.
Completion. 37 yards out.
Oh, it's so dookie right now, man.
Kick is on the way, and
This
it is
is
good.
fucking Cali. Like I said, not saying he was bad, bro. Not saying that, but damn.
And they need to find a way to stop
Like,
Cal when
this
they have
ain't
the
a
ball.
fucking fight.
That'll be a good start. Xavier Restrepo works his way up
Yeah,
across the
12 foot, I
45-yard
guess,
line.
man.
First down, Canes.
Like, you already have to walk in here.
Ward buying time.
He's about online during the
Now
best, I
running
guess.
back to his left and finding some room.
Bro, you gotta
It's
keep running. You be
Riley
tilt
out
showing
there.
too
One
much
of the rare
now.
times he's missed a tackle tonight. They'll go for it on fourth down. Maybe they'll do it
Took to a
again.
lot.
Said they'll flip it out
Oh
to the
my
tight
God,
end.
bro.
And for the second time tonight,
They own that, bro.
Situation. Pass out in the flat, as you call it.
Oh, this is a sad game to watch.
Fletcher.
He got it.
And there's a flag coming, and it's going
That's a
to
fucking
increase the
flag.
degree
Bro,
of
you gotta be
difficulty
kidding
for
me.
the
And it look like it's
Canes.
probably on Miami.
Illegal motion on Arroyo.
And the Bears went on a run.
Illegal motion. Offense. Number 8.
Four and six.
No extra pressure. Restrepo.
They get
And
it.
he'll have the first down. The reliable
Atlanta getting
veteran
blown out,
receiver.
bro.
Receivers Wes Welker, Danny Amendola,
Close it.
faking the quick out and
Good
coming
catch.
back on the return
Good
route
catch.
to the middle.
And
But I heard
Ward
something on that hit.
fires a strike. Arroyo was called
Well,
for that
man.
penalty. Just
That's
inside
right, yeah.
the red zone.
Yeah, everything.
Canes putting a drive together. Ward.
Because if another
firing.
dive, they ran it
Restrepo
down
has
and
it.
three
He's
over.
inside the 10 before he's guided out of bounds by Harris. And
I know people would say, oh,
Personal foul. Late hit out of bounds.
yeah, this is, but it's you boy for retire. I thought it was an ad to me, all dog.
had the first down. Now the pressure. Fire on the slant, and he's into the end zone. Ball came loose.
He hit the ground
and
already.
There was a flag down 2.
So
He
many
hit the
teams
run
do.
already.
It was a touchdown. However, pass interference. Offense. Number 8.
Oh, what, bro?
And that's exactly what it was. So now they're backed up. Just inside the 20 on 3rd and goal.
Okay, you got it right
And
back.
try it again. This time make it work. Isaiah Horton goes into the end zone without incident. And Cristobal's team now putting a little game pressure on the homestanding Bears.
By double digits.
25-38. Oh, gotta get this stop, man. That boy's dangerous. Oh, my.
And down he goes. And a flag comes in too.
Oh, my Lord. Bro, these niggas throwing flags like crazy, bro. Y'all kicking out, bro.
What a
You
huge
barely.
penalty and what a huge break for Cal.
I mean, it was critical. Miami's about to get the football back. This is where your technique needs to show up. If I'm the coach here, I'm throwing to get the first down. I'm
Miami really
not playing to
elbowed it.
win. Now, it's got to be a smart call, but play for the win.
Get him.
That's what they're
Get
doing.
him. You better not call another face mask either.
Feels the heat. He goes down. Remember, coming into the night is Ruben Bain back in the lineup for this game. Gets the sack.
Oh, man. I got 5 minutes
Chris
to do something.
Johnson's into the game. He's a speedster.
35. Go
He's
deep.
running down the middle
Oh,
of the
you
field,
sold the
going for the ball, and it was almost
selling the bag.
deflection off the hands of Restrepo. Jair Smith almost got to it.
Yeah, Xavier Restrepo.
Here's another
Set in the
one.
bag now.
Miami's converted twice in
Oh,
3
y'all set
tries
him
on
again.
4th down, and now it'll be tougher.
Don't know what he's doing, but
You're about to hear Cal Memorial Stadium be as loud as it's been in a long time.
And here they come. Ward fires. Who else? Restrepo, first down Miami.
Kurt out.
Ward back to work.
Could have probably
Flips
just
it
ran it
ahead to
yourself.
Martinez. Martinez
Spinning
spinning
for what? Is it getting
and
the first down?
slammed down right at the 35 by Buchanan. Another second and short. Canes
Got
threatening
worse,
to make it a
man.
one-possession game.
Just run and get the
Ward,
first down,
a
bro.
lot of room. He's going to run it. Cam
Oh,
Ward,
that's first
open
down.
area. Touchdown Miami. 24 yards on the run. Cristobal has said he loves
Where's he
his
going to,
team's
man? He just
competitive
really
spirit.
it's
Man,
not
they've
that
been showing it.
fast, bro.
I mean, it's just so impressive.
We can't beat
You
it.
know,
It's
Cam Ward just does
not
not
that
give up.
fast.
He
Yeah, I
gets
think
out
it
there,
would be. It's just
Fernando.
probably not that fast. It looked like he was jogging.
Been a huge rally for the
Man.
Canes. Now they find a crease.
Well,
And
he
running
saved
through
the
there
shot.
is
Good
Javian
save.
Thomas.
But that ball's out of
Cal
though.
Bear territory fans this morning on game day. But now the Bears showing some toughness too. Another strong run by
he's holding
Javian
up.
Thomas.
You're right. There's a launch. There's contact to the head and neck area.
Previous play
I guess he got into a fight or something.
targeting foul.
And here we go.
Chad, what do you think here, Brock?
Well, we got to look for an indicator. Let's start with that. We
Yeah,
know
I'm
there's
calling
contact to
target
the
on
head and
that,
neck
bro.
area. There is a
Head
clear
and neck
sign.
area.
Lowering the head, there's a crouch, there's an upward thrust.
And,
Oh, yeah,
and
he
remember,
did, bro. I'm just
Mendoza
mad.
not a
I'm
defenseless
just
player
mad.
here.
Correct.
Because he's just
But
a
y'all
ball
let a nigga
carrier.
like this be
Yeah.
cook y'all, bro.
So now
What are you trying to look for?
restricted
What
where
is you
that
looking
ground
for?
area is,
So here-
smaller target area.
You got that, but you zoomed in on the wrong area.
Because Basaint is hitting with the 6-inch radius at the top of his helmet. And as soon as you see that, and then there's an indicator on top of it, which there is, that is an automatic targeting call for the officials.
Now the official.
After further review, the ruling on the field stands as 4th down.
Did not call targeting.
Okay, no targeting. My bad. My bad.
From his end zone.
Okay.
Restrepo, open.
Run,
Xavier
just run,
Restrepo
bro.
into Bear territory.
Run.
He's on his way.
Run. Where's
Can
you
he
running?
get it in?
Hands on that
And
way.
just like that.
Yep, we run.
One into the other. 77 yards. The Bears' hearts.
For this one. If they win this, bro, oh my god. We be very going to be good, bro. I guess you drag one.
Horton gets
Good
it down
enough.
to about the 10-yard line. And remember,
After the play, a sportsmanlike conduct.
Man, boy, these referees here, boy.
certainly still strike from here, but this is
Nigga,
mind-blowing
what?
to
Nigga,
beat that
what?
mistake. Now they need 20 yards, 47 seconds left, and they need a touchdown. Ward whips it out. He's got his man. He's got Martinez.
He got the
David
touchdown. Give him the
Martinez.
tutty. It's that 4th down. He stepped out, bro. Oh, that man got a tutty, bro.
Give to Martinez. He's knocked down in the backfield. Craig
Yeah,
Woodson
you gotta do that 3 more
firing
times.
for a stop. Canes need 5 more. Martinez. And then the flip out.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Arroyo gets into the end zone. Elijah Arroyo. And the game is tied.
And
Kick on the way.
it's good.
And the Canes have come all
These
the
boys
way
came
back.
all the way
And they
back
lead
on
it
this.
39-38
One they shouldn't
with
even.
26 seconds remaining.
That shouldn't even happen.
Spike the football.
Mendoza
Yeah.
back to work. Fires down the middle. Looking for Dyches and
Good defense.
almost
He
made the
damn
connection.
sure like he caught that.
It'll be third down, 16 seconds remaining.
Seconds left. Have to find a chunk play here on this play.
Get him. There you go.
Hit as he
There you
throws
go.
and just missed. Back at their own 40-yard line. Rushing two, spying
Oh,
one.
to the crib.
And
No,
over the
oh my,
middle.
bro, disrespect the shit, bro.
Intercepted by Maui Noah, and Miami is going to get out of here with a win.
Flagging away. Gonna be right on the
Chico
field or
Maui
something.
Noah
And thinking about it, y'all lost.
seals the game
Oh,
with an
that shit was
interception on
fine.
fourth down. And what a comeback. Miami has had a ton of memorable wins in its
I
storied
ain't y'all
history.
was scared, me,
We
boy.
talked about the championship drought, but now in back-to-back games,
You got you a
they have
tutty,
pulled
bro.
one out of the fire on a day when upsets abounded.
I don't know if I've ever seen anything play out like the way this football game did. The emotion, the no quitting, the Miami
Oh, yeah,
Hurricanes
move,
coming
dog.
back down 35-10 in the second half. And you see those emotions playing out on the football field right now.
And tempers, frustration, flag flying, another one. And man, you're so impressed with the Hurricanes comeback, but you can't help but feel for the Bears, who seemingly had this game all but salted away.
Yeah, man, they're gonna do it for the video, man. Miami was up and down this whole game, bro. I thought Kelly had it. I really did. But nobody came back, pulled through, got the dub. And though all what matters, man. Make sure you sub, like, and share it all, and I'll see y'all boys in the next video.